Hi, this is the TCL 408 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Now just tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings and near green Apple keyboard click on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Now click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and now let's just check the new keyboard. Look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.